Episode 7 Dora Visits Home. Mom! Dad! I'm home!
Oh!
Hi, sweetie. Welcome back. Honey! Our daughter is home! Look at you, Mom! You look even prettier than when I was home last. What is your secret? Thank you, sweetie. My secret? I've been doing yoga a few times a week now. Wow, yoga? Is Dad practicing yoga with you? You know he can't stand listening to meditation music. He's always sleeping in the middle of the section. That's my dad. What is he doing now, Mom? He is replacing the window glass of the attic, sweetie. Why is he doing that? I thought he loved it. He used to love it until we decided that we wanted colorful glass instead. What a brilliant idea! I'll go upstairs to make him surprised. Okay, go ahead, sweetie. But don't forget to be gentle with your dad. He's too old for such a big surprise as you. I got it, Mom. Surprise!
Oh my god! Dora!
Hi, Dad. How are you doing?
Oh god. My daughter! I missed you a lot.
Dad, are you changing the type of window glass?
Your mom already told you, right? Since we have a stunning rose garden, your mom and I thought we would have to elevate our house to the same standard.
Stunning.
Yeah, right?
Dad, you're the best. Let me give you a hand. Tell me how I can help you, Dad.
That's my daughter.
So, Dora, you're going back to New York on Sunday, aren't you? Yeah, Mom. I have to take the night flight at 8 p.m. on Sunday, so that I can still go to work normally on Monday.
Speaking of work, do you have anything to tell us about? I heard what happened to you. The story about you helping the old lady.
Besides that bad day, I think the New York headlines is a very ideal workplace. We're all ears. We work for Health and Lifestyle News, which is what I'm very passionate about. Our team has 5 members. Me, Tina, Jake, Tim, and Duncan. Tina is Chinese American. She's also a reporter like me. Duncan and Tim are our cameramen, and Jake, he's a brilliant and a very creative video editor. Wow, sounds like you've got yourself a dream team.
A team of diversity.
Yeah, we always have brought about a lot of different and colorful perspectives into any task that we did.
Keep doing good work.
Bottles up for Dora and her new team.
Cheers!
Thank you, Mom, for making me delicious food.
You better eat a lot, Dora. We will have to water the entire garden this afternoon.
No biggie, Dad.
Are you ready, girls?
I always am, Dad. Let's feed these beautiful roses with water, everyone. Yes, madam.
So I think we can make use of our teamwork today. I'll be in charge of the white rose plants. Pink for Dora and red rose plants for Mommy. Is everyone clear?
All clear, sir. Oh, it's much hotter than I thought. I'm sweating so much right now.
This is our workout every day. And that's why I don't need to participate in your mom's yoga class.
Yoga is more about practicing our minds. Gardening is about strengthening our muscles. Two activities are somehow similar.
You're so right, honey.
As you mentioned about activities, Mom, I'm going to eat out with Emmy and Alex tonight. Oh yes, they must be missing you a lot.
Alright, have fun, you kiddos. But don't forget to come back home before 11 o'clock.
Okay, I promise. I'm getting dressed up now. Love you. Hey, Dodo! Emmy, my bestie. What's shaking, Bacon? Shaking pretty well, thanks.
Long time no see, Dora.
What's up, Alex?
So far, so good?
How about a group hug? Sure! Ah, I missed you guys so much. Did you miss me?
I didn't, but Emmy did.
You're such a liar, Alex. You know I can't stand the library, and Dora, you were the only one who agreed to go to the book club with him. Guess who said I wish Dora was here all the time?
No, I don't say that, just to be clear.
You guys are hilarious. I'm so hungry right now. Let's go get some chicken wings and popcorn. Ew, yucky, Emmy.
I said that to her almost every day.
Guys, if I had a penny for every time someone said so, I would be so rich.
Millionaire Emmy.
Dora, you said you're living with a storm model and working with Sarah Huffersmith? How lucky are you? Yeah, I don't want to brag about it, but New York is full of interesting people.
We're so glad that you find yourself a second place to call home.
Thank you, Alex. The work sometimes is rather stressful and overwhelming, but luckily, I'm having all of you by my side. You're so welcome, Dodo.
I strongly second it.
So, when are you going back to New York? I'm leaving on Sunday night.
Oh, too early. The book club opens on Monday. I would love to recommend some good books for you.
I'm very happy to hear that. We can text on social media platforms. 3 of us, we should definitely do more stuff. I'll try. You know, I'm very busy with setting up the surfboard store with my cousins. Oh, how is it going?
They're planning on opening on this summer.
Yeah, that's the plan. I'll definitely be your first customer. No, you can't, because Alex will be the first one.
Stop kidding. You know I'm afraid of water, and I don't even know how to surf.
Calm down, Alex. It's just a joke.